Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you host at Airbnb, you will get people who don't instant book. They will make an inquiry, and that could be just because they have some questions and they're not sure. But you have to be a little bit careful, because if they're not very good guests, if other hosts have said they don't want to host them again, then I believe Airbnb forces them to make an inquiry. They can't do instant book anymore. And sometimes these guests don't have any reviews because hosts haven't reviewed them. So you have to be a little bit careful about it. Unfortunately, too, the translation software on Airbnb, it doesn't work very well from English to Japanese or Japanese to English. I get a lot of Japanese guests. It actually works very well from Chinese to English and English to Chinese. So if you get inquiries in Spanish or another language, just be careful that you are getting the real message. My wife's Japanese, and I was tired today. I just got home and I got a bunch of inquiries, and the translation read, here, I'll read it to you. The translation read, "Nice to meet you. I am considering staying with my family for about 1 week. My husband has a job, so I'm planning to ask only for pickup and drop-off without staying. But is it okay with just the number of guests? I am a 6-year-old and 4-year-old energetic daughter. Is it okay to bring children? Please check." I was tired, and this message seems strange. They say they're not going to stay, but they want to book for a week, and I just thought it was too strange, and I rejected their booking. And then after the fact, I actually asked my wife to read the message in Japanese, and the actual message was, "Hi, nice to meet you. I'm considering staying for a week with my family. My husband's working in the area. We have 2 small, very lively children. Is that okay?" So that message, I would have accepted them, but the Airbnb translation was just off. So good lesson for me. I mean, I lost a booking probably from a nice family. I'm a little bit leery of hosting lively kids in some of our places. I'm afraid things might get broken, but I think I would have hosted them regardless. So just be careful that if you are using the translation function, that it's not perfect, and it works very well with certain languages and not well at all with other languages. So be aware of that. And that's about it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.